Welcome back. On the poll eve, many constituencies across the state witnessed tension and clashes. BJP candidate from Sange, Subhash Phal Desai, has filed a complaint against the supporters of Yuri Alemao. He says they assaulted him at Malkarne campaign. Meanwhile, there was a tussle between the supporters of Churchill Alemao and supporters of Avertano in Navelim. BJP has complained to Election Commission against Home Minister Ravi Naik for misuse of police force. Subhash Phal Desai has alleged that he was attacked by the supporters of Yuri Alemao on Thursday. He has filed complaint against Jitendra Patil and Rajesh Kaunkar, who are said to be the supporters of NCP candidate Yuri Alemao. Police have registered offence against these supporters for the assault.
जितेंद्र पाटील म्हणून आणि एक राजेश गांवकर हे दोघेही युरीचे समर्थक कालपर्यंत म्हजे बरोबर भोंवताले, पण अकस्मात कितें तरी जालें, पैशांचो व्यवहार जालो आणि हे दोघेही त्या सायडीन गेले आणि हांणी दोगांनी आमचेर अटॅक केलो. हांव जेन्ना तांकां आडावपाचो प्रयत्न केलो, हांवें सांगलें कितें जालां हें विचारतालो हांव. तितक्याच हे हांणी मोर्चा म्हजे कडेन वळयलो आनी म्हजे कॉलराक धरलो आनी दोगांनी एक सायडीन म्हजे हात दोनी बांदून दवरले आनी दुसरे सायडीन तो गळो आवळून हे करतालो. सादारणता रानवट असो परिसर प्रेस करून म्हजो जीव घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करतालो. एखादे वेळ अशें आड रानां भितर धरून मारपाचो किंवा म्हाका इंजर्ड करून म्हाका इलेक्शनांतल्यान काबार करपाचो, म्हणजेच हांव कॅम्पेनिंग करपाच्या स्थितीन आसचो ना आनी हांव तांकां वळखुचो ना, ह्या परिस्थिती भितर ताणें एखादे वेळ हल्लो केल्लो.
BJP has filed a complaint to Chief Electoral Officer against Ravi Naik for threatening the voters in Ponda. BJP has demanded to replace Goa police with central paramilitary force in Ponda constituency.
ज्या पद्धतीने होम मिनिस्टर पोलिसांचो दुरुपयोग करता अशी कंप्लेंट आमी पोलीस स्टेशनांनी दिल्ली आसा आनी त्या हितूंतल्यान आपल्या पदाचो दुरुपयोग ते करतात अशें आमकां कळिल्लें आसा. इलेक्शन सोंपपाक 24 तास आसात आनी म्हणून आमी सरकारा कडेन विनंती करतात की अशे तरेचे प्रयोग आनी करचे न्ही.
Meanwhile, Churchill Alemao alleged that his supporters were assaulted by Avertano's supporters in Navelim. He has demanded additional security force in the constituency to avoid any untoward incident. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Polling centre at Fatorda faced lot of chaos and confusion on the eve of polling day. One of the government servants claimed that she was forcibly posted to Fatorda polling centre even after demanding relaxation from the duty. She was seen at the centre with an 8-month-old baby. It is only after our reporter Savio Dial started questioning the authority, the government servant with her baby was relieved from the duty.
Sia Kalangutkar, a government servant and a resident of Penne, was posted to Fatorda for election duty. Have a look. She's carrying a 8-month-old baby. She's moving around with the baby carrier. She claims that she had demanded cancellation of her election duty as she needs to feed the baby. However, she was denied. It's only after reporter Savio Dias questioned the authorities the lady was allowed to go home.
आयल्ली ऑर्डर केन्ना 10 तारखेक हांवें 12 तारखेक कॅन्सलेशनां दिल्ली. जानेवारीच्या 10 तारखेक आयिल्ली, म्हाका 12 तारखेक हांवें कॅन्सलेशनां दिल्ली आनी म्हाका आनी म्हाज्या घोवाक दोगांकूय ड्युटेक घातला. तेंय रिजन सांगलें तेका, दोगांकूय घातला आनी म्हाजें 8 म्हयन्याचें भुरगें आहा, हांव तेका ब्रेस्ट फिडींग करता हेंय सांगलें आनी कॅन्सलेशन ऑर्डरी बरोवन दिली. तरी तेणी ती हें करूं ना, मान्य करूं ना आनी लास्ट सगळे तेका विचारले कितें करूं काय म्हणून, जाल्यार तो म्हणपाक तुजी सोय तूं कर.
Another government servant at the centre was in tears, demanding proper facilities. A reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dias.
Seza Goa Limited has acquired Goa Energy Private Limited on Thursday. GEPL owns and operates a 30-megawatt waste heat recovery power plant in Goa, which utilizes the waste heat and gases from Seza's sea coke making and pig iron facilities. Seza Goa Limited announced the completion of acquisition of Goa Energy Private Limited. Seza Goa had earlier announced that it had signed the definitive share purchase agreement with Videocon Industries Limited along with other shareholders of GEPL. Seza had agreed to acquire 100% of the outstanding common shares of GEPL for the enterprise value of rupees 101 crores on cash-free, debt-free basis, including normative working capital of rupees 2.75 crores. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Altadaboli witnessed 5 accidents on Thursday. A cement truck skidded off the road. Later, another pickup loaded with mud also went off the road as the driver lost control on the steering. Earlier in the day, there were 3 more accidents on the same stretch. This is the stretch at Altadaboli. On Thursday, 5 accidents occurred along this stretch. Earlier in the day, there were 3 accidents. This led to an accident of a truck laden with cement bags. The truck skidded off the road. Following this, a speeding pickup lost its way. The driver of the pickup escaped from the side, leaving the pickup abandoned. However, there were no casualties reported.
व्हडलो ट्रक येलो फास हांगसर स्पीड जालो आनी टर्नान हाडलो आनी हेजेर वंटीर मारून मागीर गाडयेचेर मारलो आनी गाडी ड्रायव्हर पळून गेलो आनी हे स्पॉटार सकाळच्यान 3 एक्सिडेंट जाल्या म्हळ्यार हांगा हे गाडी स्पीड जाता पळय सगळे हांगा टर्नार.
Our reporter in Daboli, Surendra Madkekar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.